The Japanese particle ka can indicate that the speaker is deep in thought, possibly disappointed or surprised. Here's one example. The context of this example is that you are at an electronics store and you are looking at the prices of computers. 20万円か。20万円か。200,000 yen. The particle ka at the end indicates that the speaker is thinking deeply about the price, though it's not clear exactly what they are thinking. The price could be too high for the speaker, or it could be that the price is lower than expected. They could also be thinking about how to pay for the computer. Here's another example. The context is that the speaker is opening a present on Christmas morning. セーターか。セーターか。A sweater. In this case, it is most likely that the speaker is disappointed with the gift they received. Another example. Context. The speaker has answered a question wrong on a test and has just been informed of the correct answer. マグネシウムか。マグネシウムか。Magnesium. In this example, the speaker is probably disappointed that they didn't get the correct answer. They might also be surprised at the correct answer because it was not something that they had expected. You can also use noka at the end of sentences that have verbs. Noka cannot be used with incomplete sentences with no verbs, like the 3 previous examples. So you cannot say 20万円のか、セーターのか, or マグネシウムのか. Here's one example using のか. おじいちゃんは前世はゴキブリだったのか。おじいちゃんは前世はゴキブリだったのか。Grandpa was a cockroach in a previous life. This sentence seems to express the speaker's surprise when finding out that Grandpa was a cockroach in another life. You can also express the same sentiment with just か as in おじいちゃんは前世はゴキブリだったか, though the first version sounds better and more natural to me. One more example. 地球は丸いのか。地球は丸いのか。The earth is round. This sentence expresses the speaker's surprise at finding out that the earth is round. Once again, you could also use か instead of のか, but the version with のか sounds way more natural to me. Before we end this episode, I have one note to make about the intonation of these sentences. When か and のか are used to express deep thinking, you have to read the sentence with a falling intonation. If you use a rising intonation, か or のか can be interpreted as questions. In writing, you can distinguish between these two uses of the particle by punctuating the sentences with the question mark or an ellipsis. 20万円か ?20万円か ?20万円か ?20万円かセーターかセーターかセーターかセーターかマグネシウムかマグネシウムかマグネシウムかマグネシウムかおじいちゃんは前世はゴキブリだったのかおじいちゃんは前世はゴキブリだったのかおじいちゃんは前世はゴキブリだったのかおじいちゃんは前世はゴキブリだったのか地球は丸いのか地球は丸いのか地球は丸いのか地球は丸いのか This is the end of this episode. In the next episode, you will learn another use of the particle か